Hi, my name is Sienna White, Sienna-White. I am a resident and lifelong citizen of Boise, Idaho, and I am a proud product of the Idaho school system. I may be the first generation to be born in Idaho, but I have never been more proud to call myself Idahoan. When I go to school out of state, I have been realizing the bizarre and beautiful intricacies of being from Idaho, as I have been asked about potatoes, whether or not I rode a horse to school, and perhaps strangely, whether or not Boise or anywhere in Idaho has taxis. I still love to brag about my state, and I talk about the persistence of our neighbors in Stanley, who consistently weather the coldest winters in the country. I talk about the skill of the kayakers and the whitewater rafters that go down the Selway, Salmon, and Payette every single year, among numerous other backcountry rivers. I talk about the beautiful farms and mixed success of the farmers that grow crops near Marsing and the Milwaukee River Valley. I talk about the grace of backcountry skiers and how no one understands the forest the way the backcountry firefighters do, and the skill at which citizens all across the state traverse the outdoors. I guess what I'm trying to get at is that I've realized that being from Idaho means not only living in but participating in this very complex, natural, human-coupled ecosystem, and that is why I'm so proud to be from the state. When we talk about reducing the ways in which we talk about how we affect the world around us, I think it does a disservice to Idahoans, because we rely on these systems to persist, and most importantly, for identity here in the state. I like the idea of talking about the ways that we can reduce our effects and to be more positive in these mitigations, but I think that in general, legislatures tend to underestimate the optimism and ambition of students in Idaho, and how that we can rise to this challenge if it is presented to us both fairly and accurately. And I think that in fact that why not inspire kids here to do it best and to have Idaho master the 21st century version of the human natural ecosystem. We could be the rulers of it all, and I think it starts with fair and accurate science standards. So I urge the legislatures to support all of the amendments that have been proposed.